Sun Solar Solutions, how were you able to scale so quickly?
Wasn't quickly. That was 8 years ago when we started as a merry band of men, and it grew slowly. But the reason we were able to get to big numbers in slow growth was because each of the people selling, me, my partner Troy Demakowicz, other guys that were with us back as early as then, they were selling 1 million to 2 million watts of solar. Troy and I were selling closer to 3 million watts of solar. So we were a very sizable solar company as a very small solar company from a sales perspective. So learning how to actually make those appointments, get to the kitchen table, make a presentation that lights a customer's ass on fire is a skill. And if you're trained and shown how to do that, and then most solar presentations, and you've been on a bunch of them, Luis, they all end about the same way, which is, wow, this is awesome. We didn't know this. Thank you for sharing this with us. We're excited about solar. We love you. I'd say there's almost no chance we're not going solar, and we'll definitely go with you because you brought this to us. But Luis, you would understand, right? Like, my wife and I will need a night or two to sleep on this.
Classic.
Happen to be available on Friday, 1 o'clock Friday. I'll have to talk to my accountant by then. I'll talk to whoever I need to talk. We'll have meditated and prayed. But 1 o'clock Friday is open. Can we get together Friday at 1 o'clock and do the paperwork? Would that be good for you?
Yeah, I guess that's fine.
Okay, you just effed up the whole sale.
That's what normal people do, yeah.
And so if you have it in your head that there's possibility that there's going to be another meeting where you and I are in a room and we're just like, if you buy that objection that needs to happen, you're going to lose the sale. You're going to lose the sale. Because you need to understand, that's what those tin men taught me, 30 years ago. There's not going to be another meeting. This is the last meeting. If you know that, if you understand it, then you will become willing to ride or die in this meeting. But most people, I show them, I give them a hammer, and there's the nail. The customer says, boom, I need some time to think about it. Can you email this proposal to me? And they see the hammer in the toolbox, and they see the nail, and they see the hammer, and they go, sure, I can come Friday, believing there's going to be another meeting. As opposed to going, hot damn, we're about to do paperwork. If you understand, grab the hammer, hit the nail on the hammer, we're about to do paperwork. We're going to do paperwork. We're going to need this thing. We're about to do paperwork right now. If you understand how to get from there to here.